Good day. In this video I'll be showing you how to check if the battery is low or flat, how to take it out of the holder, and how to change the battery if need be. We'll start off by pushing the button. You'll see there's a blue light. This blue light indicates the battery level. If you see that this light goes dim or is off, you know that the battery is going low or is flat. To change the battery, you go and unscrew the holder. Once the holder is unscrewed, you can then take the button out. You'll need a star screwdriver to remove all 3 screws. Once the screws are loose, you can then take the top and bottom cover apart. It comes off as simple as that. You'll see the battery is there. You can then remove the battery, grab another one, and replace it. Once that is done, you put the cover back over, you take the screwdriver, you tighten the screws up. The button is back together now, and you can place it back into the holder and screw it on. Thank you.